back to the Diabetic Diet Show. When you're cooking things that are going to stick to the pan, like rice and other things like that, go ahead and use some kind of spray. I have a spray olive oil, I have a coconut, or I have a Pam. The Pam seems to work best, and they even make a hot Pam that you can use for your barbecue grill. And this will work really well when you're doing things like rice and stuff like that. So, I forgot to do it. I'm going to go ahead and transfer pans really fast. You have to keep an eye on your rice or it's going to stick. So, cook on a lower heat and turn it off. If it looks like it's getting done, let it cruise. Put a cover on it. So, that's my tip for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the Diabetic Diet Show. Click on that little red button at the lower right hand corner and you get more tips and tricks every week. Goodbye for now.